Hi there, students. To deplete, and the noun depletion. Okay, to deplete is to use something up, to reduce the size or the amount, particularly of supplies of things like energy, money, food. If we continue to deplete the Earth's natural resources, we are going to have a serious problem with the environment. The pills that he's taking depletes his body of potassium. Okay, so to deplete, to consume, to exhaust. Yeah. The holiday we went on really depleted my savings. Okay, so it's to reduce, to bring down in quantity, to deplete, to empty of a principal substance. So, for example, the lake was depleted of water, or to lessen in a lot, markedly, in quantity or content or value. Yeah, our food stocks are depleted. We're depleting our resources. Okay, so it's to use up, to reduce to a very low amount. So the drought had seriously depleted the water supplies. The famine that came from the drought depleted the food supplies. We are overfishing our seas, and this is depleting the fish stocks in the oceans. Yes, you could deplete the soil of nutrients. Yeah, to take them out, to suck them out, to use them up, or to exhaust them. Yeah, the depletion of supplies is very worrying. Yeah, I'm a little bit worried about it. So to empty out or to unload. So yeah, the battery in this car depletes very rapidly. I think you need a new one. Yeah, this drug can deplete the body of important minerals. So yeah, some medicines do that. So to reduce by destroying or consuming the vital powers of something, to exhaust. So after the First World War, the UK was seriously depleted in men between the age of 20 and 40. They'd all been killed. So the opposite of to deplete is to replenish, to refill. So notice, to deplete is a regular verb. This depleted our supplies. This has depleted my bank account. Okay, so to decrease, to exhaust. How formal is to deplete? I think I'd probably give it a 6, maybe a 6.5 in formality. You could just about use it in an informal conversation, but I think it's a better word for a semi-formal writing or even a formal writing. And then as to origin, this is another one that comes from Latin. Depletus, meaning empty, from the verb depleo, to empty out. Okay, so my energy nowadays depletes very rapidly. Yeah, it's absorbed, it's burnt up, it's spent, it's used up. Yeah, it's impoverished. That was the word I was looking for. I made a video about impoverished. The soil is impoverished because it has been depleted of vital elements. Okay, so to deplete. The depletion is worrying. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Deplete, depletion.